So guys, I'm here trying to check out a space so I can get a studio for my clients, guys, because it's needed. I can't keep doing this out of my home. I want something more professional. So I'll let you guys know what I find. Guys, it is so gorgeous in here. I would love to work in this studio space. Like, even if I can record here, that'd be perfect. Like, just look. So I wanted a space that was just so much more professional than working in my dining room. Like, this is my dining room. I want to put my table back where it goes. I don't want to keep having to tell my husband and my kids, you know, can you go upstairs while I take care of this client? Even though I know they don't mind. I just feel like it's our home, and I don't want them to be uncomfortable in our home. So me finding a studio is top priority with me taking clients. Also, I want them to come in somewhere where it's comfortable, nice, and relaxing, and that sets the tone for the place so it reads professional. And I definitely feel like this place is on the list. I'm gonna look at some more, but I definitely am in love with this place. Like, it's so cute in here. Like, I wonder what else they offer, because your girl is looking for management at this point, and if they can do that here, I would be more than happy than to be in here doing it for you guys. Don't mind the TV in the background. You might hear my son watching cartoons. Right now, I am just, let me point it down to him. I'm about to wrap up his Christmas gifts. Hi. I'm about to wrap up his Christmas gifts and put them underneath the tree. I know you're probably like, what's the point of wrapping them up if you see him? Well, for one, he's only one, so he really don't know what he has. And then two, I just want him to have the experience of ripping his gifts up. So we're about to do, what the f is that in your hair? Is that honey mustard? Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Yay, baby. Don't touch it. Hi, G. Yeah. Yeah. One of the gifts isn't really a gift. Leave my laptop alone. Hey. You want to get pop out? So one of the gifts, it's not really a gift like I said though. It's a little thing. So I don't know if you guys, I can't think of his name. I probably put it somewhere in this video, but how he be doing like with celebrities, like the little chicken wing challenge with the hot sauces. So we found something similar to that, me and my husband. So we're gonna be trying this out soon for you guys. So be on the lookout for this type of video. Plus it gives me a reason to eat. I like to eat, and I love chicken. So we're really gonna do this up and see where it goes. But y'all finna just really watch me wrap some gifts. Go sit down. Right now. Go. Tell you about having a 1-year-old. He just think he know everything. He don't want to listen. Then he likes to fight.
Nathan, where the heck are you guys?
You not finna fight me. That's the thing. We're not doing that. I don't know what 1-year-old thinks, so that's okay. But he be ready to headbutt, slap, punch, bite, and I just be like, yeah, you gonna meet the right one, and it's gonna happen to be your mama. Stop playing with me. Then I bought these little cute bows. Just get on here. Gift is wrapped. My gift wrapping skills is A1. Yeah, I bought these little bows. I just gotta figure out what I want to do. I don't even think I'm gonna be selective about what colors. Normally I'd be like, oh no, it has to be this color on here. I don't care. New spot. Boom. Alright, some of these, like I said, may not get wrapped, but because I'm extra and I have hell of a lot of gift wrap. Why not? I just feel like I've been giving you guys more of me. You guys have been seeing more of me, especially this Vlogmas. And I promise to keep it up even after Vlogmas. This isn't going to be like, oh, I came in for Christmas, I'm gone again for another 3 or 4 months. I'm not trying to do that with you guys. I'm trying to do a lot better with actually showing my growth as a mom, a wife, a woman in general, a YouTuber, meaning content creator, really. And that's my ultimate goal for myself, is really show people who I am. I don't think I need all of this. Want to continue creating more content. As you guys know, I am a beauty content creator and a makeup artist, as well as a cosmetic line owner, and I just want to actually give you guys quality content. I feel like
I can make family time magical with a toy from Disney's new movie Encanto and awesome apples with every McDonald's happy meal. Encanto in theaters rated PG.
Okay. Thank you. Go, go, baby, go, baby, go, 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 baby, go, 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 baby.